So here's what I did to make a pretty cheap food plot water barrel. It's just a 55-gallon drum. I went with the white colored one because you can actually see the water level a little bit better. You know, the blue ones are fine too. You can probably get them for free. I paid 10 bucks for this one. And then if you get the plastic end caps in there, they screw out. The bottom one here actually had like threads in it, so I ended up just threading a piece of PVC in there and then glued a plastic or PVC spigot on there. So it works pretty great. And it was, I don't know, I had maybe 5-10 bucks in the parts for that, and it's got this brass garden hose attachment on there, so I can just screw a short section of hose on there. That hose works pretty good if I want to water my apple trees. I've got a dozen or so of those planted out there, and if it gets pretty dry, especially the first year that they're planted, or even the second, or whatever, it just works great. You can back right up to the apple tree and water it. 55 gallons of water. This one comes out, so I just fill it with the hose up there. I ended up making a rack for it out of just, these are rough cut 2x10s, I think, and just made this framework for it. And then when I'm hauling it in the truck, I just put a ratchet strap over the top of it just to keep it secure. Also, when I'm spraying my food plots, if I don't have enough, if 25 gallons is enough to cover, the area that I'm gonna do, works pretty nice for filling up the food plot sprayer a second time. It's also good for rinsing it out when you're done, so you don't have to leave the glyphosate leftovers or whatever in your yard. And I used to just haul 5-gallon buckets or water jugs. It just got to be a hassle. I don't know why it took so long to figure this out. I'm probably not the first one to use a barrel like this, but if someone had showed me this 5 or 10 years ago, I would have jumped all over it. So hope it helps you out. If you need some more water out at your food plots, well, this is probably a good way to go, and it's cheap. I think I've got less than 20 bucks into my whole setup here. Hey, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.